You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name once and for all correctly. I know many people get confused by it, so we need to clarify it once and for all. If you want to learn more pronunciations that are confusing, stay tuned, I've got more for you. So let's break it down. William. Alright, let's break it down. We, a short E sound, and then li, okay, a short li sound. Alright, it's not an it's not an a sound, it's a schwa sound, it's an a. William. The stress is on the first syllable. William. William. Did you get this? Was this any useful? Can you pronounce it correctly? William? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.